Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Point. I'm Leo, and I'm so happy to be here with you all.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be back. How are you doing today, Leo?
I'm doing great, Sarah. I feel very productive today. How about you? How is your day going?
I'm doing well too. Before we dive into today's lesson, a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel, Daily English Point, and hit the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it really does. Sarah, today we are talking about something very fundamental. We are talking about the present simple tense.
Ah, the present simple. This is the foundation of English, isn't it?
Exactly. Many people think it's just for now, but it's actually for things that are always true, habits and routines.
That's a perfect way to put it. So let's start with routines. Leo, tell our listeners, what do you do every morning?
Good question. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, I drink a glass of water, and then I make my coffee.
See, that's the present simple. You use verbs like wake up, brush, drink, and make. You didn't add ed or anything else. It's the base form of the verb.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah? What is your daily routine?
Well, I work from home, so I start my work at 9 a.m. I check my emails, I write reports, and I talk to my colleagues on Zoom.
Great. And notice, listeners, Sarah uses I. When we use I, you, we, or they, the verb stays the same. I check. You check. We check.
But wait, Leo, what happens when we talk about someone else, like he or she?
Ah, that's the most important part. We add an S or ES to the verb. For example, my brother lives in London. He works in a bank. He starts work early.
Exactly. So, I work, she works, they drink, he drinks. It's a small change, but it's very important.
Let's practice with some hobbies. Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books. I read every night before bed. And my dog Rex, he loves to play in the park.
Oh, Rex is a busy dog. He loves to play. Listeners, did you hear that? Rex loves. We added an S because Rex is he.
Correct. Now, let's talk about negatives. How do we say no in the present simple?
We use do not or does not. For example, I do not like spicy food.
And for he, she, or it, we use does not or doesn't. My sister doesn't drink coffee. She prefers tea.
Doesn't drink. That's perfect. It's very common in daily conversation.
Let's try a quick quiz for our listeners. Leo, ask me a question in the present simple.
Okay, Sarah, do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I do. I play the guitar. What about you? Do you play an instrument?
No, I don't. but I listen to music every single day.
See? Do or does for questions, and don't or doesn't for negatives. It's that simple.
And one more thing, we use the present simple for facts. For example, the sun rises in the east, or water boils at 100 degrees.
These things are always true. It's a habit of the universe.
I like that. Habit of the universe. That is a great way to remember it.
So let's summarize for our friends listening. 1. Use it for routines, like I wake up at 7. 2. Use it for facts, like the earth goes around the sun. 3. Use S or ES for he, she, it. 4. Use don't or doesn't for negatives. 5. Use do or does for questions.
That is a perfect summary. Now, listeners, we have a challenge for you. Write one sentence in the comments about your routine or a fact about your life. Remember to use the present simple.
For example, I drink tea every morning, or my friend likes pizza. We will read your comments.
Thank you for joining us today at Daily English Point. We hope this lesson makes your English journey a little easier.
Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone!
Goodbye.